Hi guys, welcome to Manwar Education. So in this video I will discuss about IPMAT JIPMAT 2022 एग्ज़ाम प्रिपरेशन. सो आई होप आप सबके 12th स्टैंडर्ड के क्लासेस जो है वो स्टार्ट हो गए हैं इन द कॉलेज. एंड ये साल आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज आपका बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम भी है. और अगर आप बीबी एंट्रेंस के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो सच एज IPMAT JIPMAT, देन आपको ये एंट्रेंस भी प्रिपेयर करना है एंड आपको पूरे तरह से बैलेंस करना है आपका 12th एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन एज वेल एज एंट्रेंस एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन. सो फॉर बैलेंसिंग you need right guidance and proper mentor who can guide you how you should balance your entrance exam preparation. Okay, अगर आपको बैलेंसिंग आ गया और आपने सारी चीज़ें अच्छे से कर ली so you can crack this exam very easily. Okay, so at Manoeuvre we have launched the online program for IPMAT and JIPMAT entrance examination. So in this video only I will explain how we teach for this entrance exam. Okay, now guys, this is our Manoeuvre preparation tool. So it is a 4-step process: step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. So in the step 1 you will be given recorded video lectures on your dashboard. So you have to first watch those recorded video lectures and then you have to come in the live lectures. Okay, after attending live lectures your all the concept will be thorough. In the third step you have to practice from the book. Okay, so all the questions आपको practice करने हैं. Okay, and after that fourth step is topic test as well as mock test. So with the mock test you will be learning about time management, you will be confident for the exam and you will be thoroughly prepared for the examination, so you don't have to worry for the exam. Okay, so all these are our preparation tool. And if you want live class, classroom coaching, books, mock test, mentorship, so you can call and WhatsApp on 8828581454. And we have also given Google form, a link in the description, so you can fill your details and our counselor will get back to you with all the details of the IPMAT and JIPMAT batches. And you can also visit to our website manoeureedu.com/bba-entrance. नाउ गाइस, IIM के कैंपसेस के बारे में थोड़ा सा बात कर लेते हैं. इफ़ यू आर गिविंग IPMAT एग्जाम देन विच कैंपस यू विल गेट, एंड इफ़ यू आर गिविंग JIPMAT एग्जाम देन विच कैंपस you will get. So IIM Indore and IIM Rohtak, it is for IPMAT exam, and IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya, it is for JIPMAT exam. And these are very good campuses and they have excellent infrastructure, they have well developed library facilities, all these things. And apart from these all things, they have very good placements. Companies like Amazon, Microsoft, all these big companies come and recruit the IIM students. Okay, now guys, let me guide you where you will get all the online program. So this is our website manoeureedu.com. just click on buy online, click on BBA entrance. So this is the page and you will see full course, book, study material, mock test, sectional course and live classes. So all these program we have. Just click on full course, show packages. So this is the page for BBA entrance. Okay, so you can see IPM comprehensive 2022. Okay, so you will get in this video lectures plus 20 mock test and handouts. So this is especially for IPMAT JIPMAT for all IIM Indore, Rohtak, Ranchi, Bodh Gaya and Jammu. Okay, so if you click on view details, so you will get 348 video lectures, 62 handouts and 20 mock test you will get. And if you are preparing for IPM and other BBA entrance like IPMAT, JIPMAT, NPAT, SET, Christ University, DUJAT, Xavier's and other BBA entrance, so you can get this program also. Just click on view details. So 421 video lectures, 100 handouts and 170 mock test you will get. ओके, एंड एनी ऑफ योर फ्रेंड या आपका रिलेटिव है जो 10th स्टैंडर्ड से अब 11th स्टैंडर्ड में गया है, सो अगर वो IPMAT और JIPMAT के एंट्रेंस के प्रिपरेशन के लिए देख रहे हैं इन द ईयर 2023, सो वी हैव लॉन्च द प्रोग्राम फॉर ईयर 2023 ऑल्सो. सो यू कैन गेट this program also. So just click on view details. You will get 315 video lectures, 98 handouts, 170 mock test. Okay, now if you want to study from the books, so you can get books and study material. So just click on show packages, all BBA entrance set of 5 books. And if you want ebook facility, so ebook facility also we have. ये आपके within 7 days working में आपके घर पे courier हो जाएंगे. Okay, now after this, if you are lacking in a particular section, then we have sectional course also. Just click on sectional course. Okay, so you can get sectional course for English, logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, GK and current affairs, critical and verbal reasoning, okay, DIDS, DC, okay. So all these programs you can get in your sectional course. And if you want to give mock test, if you want to analyze yourself, then we have mock test also. So BBA entrance mock test, in this you will get topic test 48, contest 62, logic test, and English 22 test, and GK is 20 test. So all these programs you can get it from us. You can prepare very well for IPMAT as well as JIPMAT entrance examination. So guys, that's all in this video. If you want to prepare for IPM and other BBA entrance for year 2022 and 23, so you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number 8828581454, or if you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website manvaradio.com. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. We have also launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for BBA entrance, so you can subscribe to this channel also. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.